This is Claude Code, and I just thought of how to hack. Most people use Claude Code to build applications and refactor their code bases, but what happens when you give it custom skills, specifically hacking skills? I'm talking about basic stuff like Recon, vulnerability assessment, exploitation, where it can create an exploit for you or exploit some vulnerability. And honestly, results were kinda insane. Hi, my name is Kirilo, and on this channel we break down tools and techniques that professionals actively use. If this sounds like your thing, hit subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. And here's what I mean by hacking skills. I actually built 3 of them: Recon, Enumeration, and Exploitation. Skill number 1, Automated Recon. One command in Claude scans a target, gives you open ports and services running in a nice output, and everything runs without you typing even a single flag of Nmap. Skill number 2 is Web Enumeration. It runs directory brute forcing and looks for files and folders and then gives you a nice output of what was found, and again, no manual tooling. And skill number 3, Exploitation. You give it a target and then it scans for vulnerabilities. If one is found, it will proceed with exploitation. For this skill, I specifically made it scan only for SQL injection vulnerabilities. And the best part, everything runs in Claude Code, so you just talk to it and it will perform all those actions for you without even knowing a single command. So what are skills actually? Those are just custom markdown files that live in a folder called .claude skills. Claude reads them automatically when you launch Claude Code. Each file is basically a playbook that tells what should Claude do when you run those skills. And there are 3 main parts of every skill: name, description, and instructions. Name is how you're gonna run it. Description is when to suggest this specific skill, and instructions what actually Claude should do. It sounds simple because it's really simple, and that's why it's perfect for security work. You're basically not programming anything, you just talk into a Claude and it will prepare everything for you that will run flawlessly. Let me show you the Recon skill in action. We just simply type Recon, then we give it an IP address. In my case, this will be localhost, and you simply hit run. There's no need to memorize any commands and think about it. Basically, Claude just runs the command without me even knowing the flags, so it scans everything the way it thinks they should be scanned. Okay, and let's see the actual Nmap output. This is what it gave me, and the difference is obvious because it gave me the list of services and open ports in a nicely organized way, and I don't have to go and manually check the files. And this is what it makes it cool, and because it also gave me some suggestions what to do next. And the thing is, I didn't have anything to do with the script skill. I just run it and I asked Claude to create it. Literally like you simply type something like this. Let's name it Recon 33. Yeah, it's trying to create me a new skill. And this is what the skill creation output gave me. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So let's switch to another tab. I'm gonna cancel this. And let's proceed with this, but we'll use the skill number 2, which is enumerate. And then we simply have to give something to enumerate. Again, I'm giving this host and simply type in just enumerate. It will do automatically everything for me. This skill will give me files and folders available on the server. So let's just wait. And look at this output. It's actually pretty crazy that it gave me the summary of everything that was found. I think The cool thing about it that you can chain a couple tools that can perform different tasks, not just enumeration of folders and files. And that's Claude actually understanding the context. I think this way it's the minimal chance to actually miss something. Have you ever worried about missing something during the reconnaissance? So this probably can be easily closed by AI tool. And it's time for skill number 3, which is just exploit. And again, I created it specifically for exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities, but you can make it work with anything. And again, to start using it, simply run exploit. And as this is a test environment, I can give it already a way to run it. And again, as this is a test environment, I will give Claude the exact place where the vulnerability can be found. And as you see, it automatically found the injection, even though the injection was in post-param, but without even a single flag provided by me, it was able to find the exact place and actually trying to exploit it and give me some information about databases, users, and stuff like that. And there's a nice little summary. Again, what I can say is you simply talk into Claude Code and it does everything for you. You don't have to memorize anything. You just gave it deliberate instructions and it runs for you. So that's Claude skills for hacking. Just 3 markdown files and suddenly Claude becomes your security assistant. I will leave links for the exact files in the description section, but I'll be honest with you, those skills are pretty basic and everyone can create them with just 1 sentence. Let me know in the comment section what skills you have in mind, what security workflow you want to cover, and share those with the community. See you in the next video. Bye.